In the gospel reading, we heard a few mothers came with their little children to Jesus so that he could bless them. And then were these disciples. They shouted at them. But what is the response of Jesus? Jesus says, allow them to come to me. In the Mark's gospel, Jesus got annoyed with the disciples for their behavior. And Jesus blesses them. And in Mark's gospel, we are told, Jesus takes them in his arms, he hugs them and blesses them. For Jesus, every person matters. Even a small baby matters. Jesus could have said, you take the blessing from my disciples. I have no time. I am busy with so many people around me. He didn't say that. We have many references in the New Testament where Jesus talked about children. When he was asked who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven, what did he say? He called a little child and said, until and unless you become like children, you will not enter the kingdom of heaven. So who will enter the kingdom of heaven first? The little children, especially those who are below 5 or 4 years old, because they are sinless. They cannot sin. They enter the kingdom of heaven. All others have to work very hard to enter the kingdom of heaven.